Hello friends, on this video right now I'm going to show you how to change language on poker phone. So friends, before we continue this video, do not forget to like the video and subscribe the channel. Okay, so let's start the video. Firstly, you can switch the settings. So the first option you need to move on is the setting only, so you have to click on it. When you tap on it, from here you have to scroll on the down. You just keep scrolling to additional setting. So here is the additional setting, and here you have to click on additional setting. Just tap on it. Inside the additional, you can see the first point is the date and time, second point is the languages and input. So which we need is the second point. Okay, so let's click on it. When we click on it, you can see here is the languages. Okay, so here you have to click on the languages. When you click on the languages, from here you can see many languages. Okay, if you want to change a language from here, what you need to do is that you just need to tap on that language where you want to change. Okay, you can change English, you can change I don't know, there is many languages. So from here you can change it where you are belong to, or where you are benefit, or which you prefer. Okay, you can select from here. Then after that, if you want to select, then you just tap on that language, just clicking on back button. When I move on the back button, again I click on the back button, and here tap on the region. If you want to change your country name, you can change your country from here. Okay, on mobile phone, if you are belong to Comoros, you can tap on the Comoros. Okay, if you belong to Costa Rica, you just tap on Costa Rica. Okay, so you can change your country too if you want to change. So friends, hope you loved the video, and if you loved the video, like the video, share the video and subscribe the channel. Friends, thanks for watching. Bye.